Apartment and rental hack. If you want to hang curtains but can't put holes in the wall, use these command hook curtain rod holders instead. Be sure to use a heavier picture hanging strip instead of the adhesive that comes with the curtain rod holders, because this will be able to hold a stronger weight. But you stick it on the wall, let it sit for a bit, and then you're able to hang curtains without any holes or nails in the wall. Car must-haves from Amazon Part 8. First up is this wide-angled mirror. It's basically like a rear view mirror extender. It has clips on the back, so it's super easy to install. You just clip it onto your existing rear view mirror, and it allows you to see in your blind spots and just increases your visibility while driving. Next up is this memory foam cushion that is really nice to have on road trips or if you have a long commute every day. Obviously you can use it in other places like your office or an airplane, but it has a really soft gel memory foam cushion inside that's really comfortable for the car. Here's some bathroom organization items I've been loving lately. First are these stackable containers. They come in a pack of 3. You can use them for your clips, scrunchies, hair ties, so many different accessories. I love that they're stackable so they don't take up a bunch of room and you can easily tuck them away underneath your counter. Next are these cute canisters. They come in a 2-pack and can be used to store things like your Q-tips, cotton balls. I just love the kind of wood bamboo top. I think it's really cute and helps to keep your countertop a little bit more cohesive. And lastly is this toilet paper holder. I just liked the gold and thought it was really pretty.